All right, this is the practice video for in December. We're just going to practice through saying the words in rhythm and doing the clapping patterns along with it to review that first. And then afterwards is when we will actually sing through it and do the clapping patterns. So at the beginning, you actually have 4 claps before any words start, and they all are on beat 2. It feels a little weird to clap on beat 2 instead of beat 1. So sometimes to help myself is I do a little very, very quiet toe tap on beat 1, which reminds me not to clap there. And then I clap on beat 2. So for instance, I would do tap in December, tap it seems, tap we try a little harder, tap in December, it seems, tap we think a little more. Something like that. So we're going to go ahead and do that section, and then when we get to Is It True, We're a Little Bit Happier, we'll review that pattern before we do that section. So, very beginning of the song, we have 4 claps on beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. In December, it seems, we try a little harder. In December, it seems, we think a little more. Oh, in December, we seem to feel a change. Oh, in December, it seems we're not the same. Okay, so now we're at the Is It True, We're a Little Bit Happier. Rather than having a quarter note clap on beat 2, we have a pair of eighth notes clapping on beat 2 and a quarter note on beat 4. So it'll go rest, clap, clap, rest, clap, rest, clap, rest, clap, rest, clap, rest, clap, rest. So when you put that with the words, it goes, is it true we're a little bit happy, or a little bit cheery, or a little more light? Is it true we're a little bit jollier, a little bit merrier, and dare we say bright? And that continues through the O's. So let's go ahead and do that. Is it true? Here we go. Is it true we're a little bit happier, a little bit cheerier, a little more light? Is it true we're a little bit jollier, a little bit merrier, and dare we say bright? Oh, 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 in December. Oh, 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 in December. Then it goes back to, in December, it seems, we try a little harder. In December, it seems, we think a little more. Oh, in December, we seem to feel a change. Oh, in December, it seems we're not the same. Pardon me. Then we go, is it true? Is it true we're a little bit happier, a little bit cheerier, a little more light? Is it true we're a little bit jollier, a little bit merrier, and dare we say bright? Oh, 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 in December. Oh, 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 in December. Then we have our would that we could always see the better selves we want to be. No clapping during that part. After that section's done, it goes back to, is it true we're a little bit happier, a little bit cheerier, a little more light? Is it true we're a little bit jollier, a little bit merrier, and dare we say bright? Oh, 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 in December. Oh, 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 in December. So December, all 3 sounds have a clap. December. Okay, good. Then the next video, we'll actually sing through all of it. Yay!